Before jumping to learn how to tell time in English, let's understand the clock first. Two main important parts of the clocks are hands and numbers. Now, there are three hands in the clock. First is hour hand, which is the shortest among three and slowest in speed to move. Second one is the minutes hand, which is bigger than hour hand and moves faster than hour but slower than seconds hand. And third one is seconds hand, which is the biggest and fastest hand to move in the clock. Hour hand and minute hands are equipped in all the clocks and watches, but second hands might be missing in some. Now comes the numbers. Numbers are useful to show times in hours and minutes and seconds. Each clock has number from 1 to 12, which shows the hours. These numbers are used to know time by hour hand. So if we want to tell time, we can say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and like that up to 12 o'clock. Between two numbers there are 5 points marked in each clock that shows you the minutes and seconds. So start count 0 from 12, it will give 5 at number 1, 10 at number 2, and likewise 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60 at 12. So in conclusion, there are 12 hours. Each hour is divided into 60 minutes. It means when minute hand completes one circle of 60 minutes, hour hand moves from one hour number to another number. Likewise, when 6 seconds hand complete one circle of the 60 seconds, it will complete 1 minute and minute hand will move to the next point. Rules to remember while telling the time in English. Number 1. If minute hand is at 60, we use o'clock to report the time. If minute hand is at 15 and or 45, we use to say quarter instead of minutes. And if minute hand is at 30 minutes, we use to say half instead of minutes. Rule number 2. When minutes hand is between 1 to 30, we use past after the minutes, and when it is between 31 to 59, we use to after the minutes to tell the time, like 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 past, half past, 35 to, 42, quarter to. Okay. Now rule number 3. When word past is used, former hour number is used to tell the time, but when we use word to after the minutes, later hour number is used. For example, if hour hand is between 1 and 2 and we select the word past to tell the time, then we select 1 as a hour, but when we use 2 after the minutes, we select 2 as our hour. So that's all to learn tell the time. Now we will go through some examples to how exactly tell the time. In this example, time is shown in the clock and we will identify what time it is. For that, follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. What is the position of hour hand? Means hour hand is in on number or between 2 numbers. Step 2. What is the position of minute hand? Means what is the exact minutes that minute hand is showing and in which that minute range that falls. Step 3. What to use to tell the time after knowing the position of hour and minute hands, means which hour number to select and which word to select, past or to after the minutes. Here in the example, hour hand is between the 1 and 2, so 1 hour and 2 hour. minute hand is at 20 minutes, which falls in the range of 1 to 30. So to tell the time, we use past after the minute and 1 as hour. So it is 20 past 1, means 20 minutes has passed after 1 hour. So if you want to write it digitally, you can simply write down as 1 hour 20 minutes. Here, apply 3 simple rules to tell the time. In the clock, hour hand is between 1 and 2. Minute hand is at 50, so it fall in the range of 31 to 59. So 2 is used after the minutes, and as we are using 2 after the minutes, select 2 as hour. So time is 10 to 2, means 10 minutes remaining to complete 2 hours. So if you want to write in digital format, you can simply write as 1 hour 50 minutes. In example 3, hour hand is at 2 o'clock, means 2 hour, and minute hand is at 60 minutes. So as minutes hand is on 60, we use o'clock instead of minutes, right? So the time is 2 o'clock. So if you want to write down the time in digital format, it will be 2 hours and 0 minutes. Here in the clock, hour hand is between 12 and 1. Minute hand is on 3, means 15 minutes. As the minute hand is on 15, we use quarter instead of telling minutes. And 15 minutes is falling in the range of 1 to 30. So we use past after the quarter and 12 as hour. So time is quarter past 12. And if you write down it in digital format, then it will be 12 hour and 15 minutes. Here in the clock, hour hand is between 12 and 1. Minute hand is on 45 minutes. So use the quarter instead of telling 45 minutes. And as the minutes fall in the range of 31 to 59, use 2 after the quarter and 1 as hour. Why 1 hour? Because we are using 2 after the minutes. So time is quarter to 1, means 15 minutes remaining to complete 1 hour. And in the digital format, it will be 12 hour and 45 minutes. In this clock, hour hand is between 1 and 2. Minute hand is on 30 minutes. So use half instead of telling the 30 minutes. And as the minutes is falling in the range of 1 to 30, so use past after the half and 1 as hour. So the time is half past 1, and in the digital format it will be 1 hour and 30 minutes. Hope you got all the points, and now you can tell the time on your own. Here are some clocks. Pause your mobile screen, write down the time in digital format as well as in English. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe for more learning.